right, here we go. We got another Maury. One more coming at you tonight.
Woo!
Okay, this is gonna be so good.
This is gonna be so good.
Oh my gosh. Have to get.
We need more ones.
We'll find some.
Something has changed within me.
Stop right now.
Something is not the same.
Okay, I've got. I'm just gonna stop it real quick.
But that
This is a. I mean, it's the same
different,
voice
yeah.
and it's the same artist.
different character.
It's a different character.
Different character.
And those tones and like little timbres and
Yeah.
tendencies that are coming out are so different,
Yeah.
and it's so good.
She could literally take over the U.S.
It's
in
so
every
she
facet.
needs to. She has to.
No, she
It
has
is-
to.
That is so good right there, and it's so beautiful, and it's so like pristine.
And she's in her room
And-
wearing a polo.
Yeah.
That's all. Okay, keep going.
Gosh.
You're giving it.
I had to stop.
Through the
That was
playing by.
so good.
This is a hard song too.
Rules on someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep.
more
It's
forward.
time to
Yeah.
trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try to find gravity.
Those beautiful pure
I think
tones.
I'll try to find gravity, and you can pull me down.
Wow.
I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know. Too
So much
long
conviction.
I've been shut, losing love, I guess
Or
I've lost.
so much addiction.
Well, if that's love, it comes at much too high a cost. I still need to find gravity.
It's just it's
Kiss
extreme.
me goodbye, I'm defying gravity, and you can pull me down. Unlimited. The future is unlimited, and I just had a vision, almost like a prophecy. I know it sounds truly crazy. True, the vision's hazy, but I swear someday I'll be up in the sky, defying gravity.
So effortless.
This is a beastly song.
Not an easy song at all.
And you can't pull me down.
She's so cute.
So if you're trying to find me, wrapped in the western skies, as someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm
Wow.
flying solo, at least I'm flying free. For those who ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them high and defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity, and soon I'll match them in beauty.
Just for wow.
And nobody
Here we go.
in all of us knows it that there is a was his ever called.
Come on, Maury. Wow!
Oh my gosh. Okay.
That
so
was a masterclass,
Thank
master
you.
vocal. Wow!
Oh
Thank you,
my
Augustin,
gosh.
for that kind tip. Thank
That was
you.
so sweet.
Wow, that was a master
Holy
vocal.
Cow.
I'm going to be really bold.
Be bold.
I've seen.
I've been bold with her before, so I'm excited to see you be bold.
Well, I'm just gonna say I saw Idina Menzel do it on Broadway, and I'm a fan of Idina, but
no,
that's
yeah,
better.
1,000%.
That is way better.
1,000%.
Nothing against you, Idina, but Maury.
But do you
will
know
sing
what?
circles.
We've said this before with her, and you guys know, like, there's so much conviction, there's so much character in her.
Yeah.
Just in her eyes, and when she sings, you see her heart.
You don't only see it, you feel it.
Yeah.
And you hear it.
Yeah.
It's all the senses. You can almost taste it.
And that's exactly why y'all love her. That's exactly why she has such a strong following, and why we've fallen in love with her, because she's so real. But then at the same time, being so real, she has this just incredibly gifted.
I mean, it
I
really,
mean,
yeah.
She's insane.
Yeah, I mean, it is insane. And, I think people fall in two camps. I think people really love singers like her that have just big, beautiful, pure vocals. She does have that little bit of, edge and that little characteristic thing, squeak that she does. Or you fall on the line where you like that really textured, like, very, like, emotional sounding, stylized vocal.
Which makes me excited to dive in a little bit more for you guys, for just little tips and tricks on how you guys can be doing little exercises to get these types of sounds in your own voice.
Totally, and that's a good little segue. We're going to, we're going to start rolling out some vocal tip segments for you guys as well, so that we can even start looking at some Maury songs and give little tips along the way. We'll be giving tips on all things vocal, which is going to be fun to do that little segment. But yeah, I mean, she's fantastic. There's no doubt. We know that. You guys know that. This has been really fun.
This has been so fun.
I think we should do this more often.
I think we really should.
Yeah.
Good.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron, and she's Katie Tubman. We are from Love.
I'm Katie Tubman, and he's singing over my line.
Yeah. Bye, guys. We love you.
Love you so much.